Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download AniLab on PC, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe for more AniLab tutorials. So do where to go, type in PC download and click on the first link here under the YouTube link AniLab download on PC. Click on this link and you'll be directed to this page. So click on download AniLab and click on download on your AniLab here. So download AniLab. This will start the APK to download on PC, and here you need to have the BlueStacks already downloaded. So you must download on some BlueStacks. AniLab on your PC. It is BlueStacks. Click on this to download and install it, and it should be good to go to run AniLab APK on your PC. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.